Step on how to download your convention certificate. Step 1. Go to PSA website.
Step 2. Login. Type email address and unique code. Step 3. Go to menu at the upper left side.
Open your browser. Google Chrome, Safari or Mozilla Firefox.
In address bar, type the PSA website. http://psa.org.ph and press enter. Click the Watch button to go to PSA Convention website.
Step 2. Login. Type email address and unique code. Click Watch Now button. Step 3. Go to menu at the upper left side. Click the evaluation form. Fill up the evaluation form completely.
Click the Submit button.
Step 4. Go to menu at the upper left side again. Click Get Certificate. Download certificate. Click the download button below to get a copy of your certificate of attendance.
Go to Download folder or Download history. Open the downloaded file. Thank you for watching. If you have other question, please visit the PSA website and talk to us in a chatroom or messenger.